Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Dr. Jennifer Edwards and I have been a social media user for the last 20 years, which has been incredible. So from College Club back in the day when I began college until right now, as an avid YouTube user and watcher, I'm excited that you're here. So on this channel, I highlight social media research. I highlight the different things that you can do with social media, how to network, and then also I teach 4 classes at Tarleton State University. So it's a neat way that you can engage with people via teaching in higher ed. So I also focus on that as well. But please don't forget to subscribe. And then also you can follow me on Twitter. I am at drjt Edwards. I'm also on Instagram. And also I have a page on, if you just search for Millennial Professor, I have a page on Facebook. And then last but not least, I am millennialprofessor.com. So yeah, I love student success. I love social media technologies. I try to merge the two with a little bit of millennials in the workplace. And there we go. That's my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and write some comments below. Talk to you guys soon.